We now have featured the TW4207. It's number 9 in the catalogue. It's been looked after today and cleaned up and managed in general by Mr. Peter Kent, featured in the film, and is a credit to him and his abilities to make brass shine. The engine is the most recent addition to our collection. This engine was built in 1926 for the Stukely family near Wymondley, and it was a tipper lorry when it first came from the factory and was used in their business from 1926 to 1930, late 1930s, after which it was then acquired by several owners before Mr. John Crawley acquired it, and he reverted it back to a flatbed lorry, and he gave it pneumatic tyres as opposed to the solid rubber tyres which it originally had. This engine is in a remarkably good state of repair. Mr. Crawley, having done over the many years during which he owned it, done much of the work necessary. This engine has a speed of about 20 miles per hour on the road. It has gas lights, electric lights and candle lights, and it also has a carrying ability of 6 tons. The engine has a considerable range, as you would appreciate, and it's most economical on coal and water. There isn't very much work to do on this engine for the foreseeable future, and it is the pride and joy of our collection. In other words, it costs more than any other engine we've got.